Audi revealed the new updated A7. Product enhancements make for more individual interior and exterior choices. Some of the highlights include the revised radiator grille, exterior colors, wheel designs, and decorative inlays for the interior. A total of 12 exterior colors is now available for the Audi A6 and A7 models and their respective S derivatives. Grenadine Red Metallic and Ascari Blue Metallic are now available for the S models and the S-Line packages. The updated Audi A7 model will be available to order from June 1st, starting at €63,500. Tell me in your comments how do you like this model and subscribe for more.